Hello there, welcome to my channel. Are you ready to draw a cute teapot? And I'll show you how to turn it into a finger puppet. Well, let's get started. These are the materials that I will be using. To draw the lid of the teapot, we're going to bring a line all the way up and then bring it back down. Okay, and then we're gonna draw another line across to meet with both points. Okay, and we'll draw the little circle at the top for the lid. Okay, and for the bottom part, we'll draw a line down and another line down. And we are going to draw a line across, back up. Okay, we're going to just draw another line here to join our lid. And for the spout, we're going to draw a line that goes up. You can curl it a bit with a little circle. And then we're going to join it. Okay, and for the handle, we're going to draw a curved line, join it, and then another one. So it's like a backwards C. Okay. Now we could also just extend the little teapot, 2 lines down and across, just like that. Okay. To turn it into a cute cartoon, we're going to draw 2 circles for the eyes, and then an arch over, and then just shade in the little pupils, just like that, and a nice smile. Okay, now if you want to decorate the little teapot, if you want to add little hearts, we can do a little heart in this corner here, and another one here, and the third one, and the 4th one. Okay. All right, so now let's color our teapot. And I'm going to use purple, but you can use whatever color you like. So teapots come in various shapes and sizes and materials like ceramic, glass, or metal. It originated in China, dating back to 1271 to 1368. And tea and teapots arrived in Europe in the 17th century. So there's different types of teapots from around the world. The story of tea begins in China in 2737 BC. The Chinese emperor Shen Nung was sitting beneath a tree while his servant boiled water, and some leaves from the tree blew into the water. Okay, so the emperor decided to try the drink, and the drink was a hit. I'm going to blend in some colors. There is a cute joke that I'll share with you, and it goes like this. What dinosaur loves tea parties the most? T-Rex. I'm going to also color in the little hearts. Now there's different flavors of tea out there. Chamomile tea, ginger tea, and it is definitely a soothing drink, especially if it's cold out there. Okay, so I'm going to cut out the little teapot, and I'll show you how you can turn it into a cute little finger puppet. Okay, so all you have to do is cut out a rectangle shape from a piece of paper. just like that, okay? And just curl it over, just like that. And you're gonna add tape. Okay, so we're gonna turn our teacup over, and then you're gonna add another piece of tape or glue, whatever you prefer, right in the center here. Okay, and I'm gonna slide my little finger right here, and then just flip it over. Okay, so here's our little finger puppet of the teapot, and there's a really nice nursery rhyme that goes like this. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Tip me over and pour me out. Okay, my friends, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Until next time, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. I'm a little teapot, short and stout.